Hey guys, Todd with Vapor Hunting Technologies. Today we have a variety of parts that a customer sent in to us. And this again goes along with our parts testing and what we're able to do for each customer. We're gonna take these parts, we're gonna clean them up, we're gonna get them looking back brand new. We're gonna do all of this in wet blast using our glass bead. And we've got you some great pictures of everything as it looks before. And as we get them cleaned up, we're gonna get you pictures of what they look like after we're done. Should be quite interesting. Stick around, we'll show you what happens. All right guys, we're back. We've got these parts all cleaned up now. Everything here looks gorgeous. The customer was really concerned with cleaning in the insides of these parts. These are not the typical parts that they're actually going to be using or blasting, but they're similar to what they're using. So all of these were cleaned up in our wet blast machine, getting ready to box them back up, get them back out to the customer. 2-day turnaround time, pretty good on parts. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, give us a call. Phone number is 828-202-5563. Thanks for watching.